Sustainability is the obvious solution for any business development. At the moment, it's still a matter of choice, but in the near future, a sustainable business model will be an absolute necessity. And, handled right, making early strides towards sustainability can unlock an enormous potential for business. But what does it really mean, this sustainability? And is it worth applying to our way of life, to our consumption, to our habits, our businesses? Many people still think of sustainability as an empty promise, an impossible dream almost, a dream that is simply so costly and time-consuming that it's not worth pursuing. It's a waste of effort, with no real value. It's greenwashing, mere publicity, a false impression of responsibility. But consider the beautiful logic of the word sustainability. Being able to sustain and possessing the power and the capacity to act. Every business has the power to alter the perception of our current throwaway society. Consumer demand and new market developments often go hand in hand, but a first step is required to make innovation possible, by getting a running start instead of trying to keep up. The most recent studies have shown that there are essentially 3 core areas that are going to have the greatest impact on the development of future business: scarcity of resources, the growing global middle class, and climate change. Eventually, we will have no other choice but to reduce our consumption and to start reusing. So why wait until the very last moment and leave a legacy of bad decisions that our grandchildren are just going to have to patch up? Of course, any change is difficult, and any solo attempt will seem futile. We recognize that we're in the process of scaling mountains with summits that seem to get further and further away. Waiting will only make it worse. But once you actually conquer the barrier of getting started, a new worldview will open itself up. But overcoming these obstacles can be complicated when your current worldview is limited to what you think you know. And that's where design comes in. At Sustainable Disruptions, we've already teamed up with multiple businesses entering the market with sustainable production. And by applying creative processes, we've helped bridge the gap between environmental responsibility and increased growth. As designers, our approach is one of direct action, and we've distilled it all into a 3-stage journey. A sense of direction is vital, and finding the proper set of values is key to what motivates people and creates a platform for good business. A business purely focusing on profit has actually a limited potential. Sustainability equals resilience over time. And incorporating a people and planet-based bottom line is key to making a sustainable business model that's ready for the future. And in this way, we can create economical value while contributing to healthy ecosystems and strong communities. A structured process generates a better overview. A model we frequently use will look something like this. Firstly, we work together and share knowledge, and then move on to researching and gathering data. This leads to analysing and understanding the issues, and then developing ideas and solutions that will bring us forward to building prototypes and conducting tests. The right tools for the right job can turn abstract terms into solid action. A sustainable business is no utopia, and it will take both time and commitment. The first step in your future business development could be sustainable disruption. And if you're ready to make the choice to act, you're about to take an important step into a sustainable future.